Yes, let's get started. So from tomorrow, August 20th, 7 p.m., we are starting our actual classes for Azure Data Engineering. So today, let's have a short intro on what is what. This is Sai Pranindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practice-oriented classes from scratch, right from the basics of Azure. Let's understand more about our actual classes and the practice items we need to have from tomorrow, including DP203 certification exam complete guidance. As a data engineer, we are responsible for ETL, extract, transform, load, ETL, data warehouse, historical data store, big data storage, and accurate analytics. 4 different items we need to implement from tomorrow using 4 great components: data factory, Databricks, Synapse, data lake. Azure Databricks, Azure Data Factory, Azure Synapse, and Azure Data Lake. And we have 5 important platforms or playing areas to implement these blue items: Spark, cloud computing and storage, Spark clusters and Spark database; Python, part of our classes in data engineering from scratch. Revise MS SQL, it's enough to step into our Azure classes. We'll start Python from very basics and go to a level required enough for ETL and data engineers. Spark SQL, PySpark, Scala, IoT, Stream Analytics, CI/CD pipelines, control tables, and more, part of our classes. Let's understand more about this particular data engineering. To start with, let's have a look at the database basics. Database, a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, fully secured, neatly organized. Basic types of databases like OLTP, data warehouse, OLAP. 3 different database types are involved. Here, out of these 3, first 2 are very important for you and me, data engineers. Number 1, OLTP databases. Purpose of OLTP databases: to store live real-time data like live temperature, live stock market, anything live, OLTP. Data warehouse databases, to store any historical data like old temperature data, old stock market operations, anything old, data warehouse. OLTP, other one, data warehouse. This data warehouse is our actual course. Now, how to get these 2 in a single plate? Yes, here it is on my screen now. Any BI, business intelligence model, involves live OLTP databases and historical data warehouse database, and a communicator in between, data ingestion consolidation environment in between called ETL. The green color items is our data engineering. The arrow marks are, and the arrow marks and the box cylinder shapes is our actual course. So our course involves, the data engineering involves ETL, two flavors, Azure Databricks, Azure Data Factory, warehouse, two flavors. One is something called Synapse, Spark and Synapse. Spark and Synapse, two different flavors. So I'll just refresh my screen to show you the information this way. Here it is. I repeat again, we have something called Databricks in communication with Spark. Okay, Spark we call it. And other one, Data Factory in communication with something called Synapse. This is our actual course. So it's all about extraction of data, filtering it, validate, filter, clean, dice, slice, and then store required data into warehouse. So in this process, it involves different ETL components, extract, transform, load ETL components, data warehouse components, storage and staging components. With end-to-end integrations part of our classes, total items planned for about 2 months. My kind request. So 7 weeks classes, then project, say total 2 months. Now my kind request. In case you are planning for resume, make it complete. There should be a certified backend technology data engineering. If in case you're planning for Azure, then this works. There should be a certified data engineering item in your resume and certified data visualizations item in our resume. Backend data engineering, front-end Power BI works together. This end-to-end implementation is important. Of course, we are starting data engineering from tomorrow. Maybe from us or from some other source, maybe self-learning, some way or the other, get Power BI also. And don't take Power BI light. It's very vast. There are 7 design tools in Power BI. It's not just only visualization. It's all about data modeling. We say semantic models. I said certification. DP203 certification, backend, data engineer and big data. PL300 certification, Power BI, front end. Mixed together will surely win our game, the resume. Later point of time, you may do Fabric. Fabric introduction, part of our classes for data engineer anyway. You want to get into Fabric later in future, you may do it separately. Another 1 month journey. But introduction part in our data engineering classes itself. So we'll take it slowly, step by step from scratch. Please revise constraints, joins, normal forms, merge, rank, basic tuning, procedures and functions, SQL concepts during your free time. We are into core data engineering from tomorrow. We'll step into data factory, data lake, Databricks, PySpark. 4 important frontline components. Backend we have storage activities, Synapse. We have something called IoT, Purview, big data activities. So 2 months journey from tomorrow is into the complete black box. To make it more detailed on my screen, we'll step into cloud concepts and few big data Hadoop concepts, migrations, stream analytics, and data masking, encryptions, data factories, Synapse activities like pipelines, control tables, incremental loads, parameters, watermark activities, CDC, and so on. Databricks and PySpark components, medallion architecture, PySpark widgets, jobs, incremental loads, and so on. Finally, end-to-end project for our resume. We'll do it slowly. So plan for 2 months journey. Make sure you revise SQL concepts. No programming level SQL required, but regular basic Microsoft SQL concepts should be enough. This is the final screen. To get everything in a single window, SQL, the prerequisites, then step into data engineer and Power BI. You're already aware of SQL. Let's step into data engineering from tomorrow. If you need to have a revisit of SQL, we have other schedules, either self-paced video training or live online or in-house classroom in Hyderabad, anyone as you opt for any of these courses. But let's make sure we do our best. Need your support. Let's have everyday assignment, practice on time. Do let me know for doubts, clarifications. I repeat again, practice on time, everyday assignments. So let's make sure we do our best carefully. Please. Hope you'll practice minimum 1 hour everyone, please. Yes, please everyone.
Yes,
Minimum
sir.
1 hour you'll practice per day. Please let me know. I'll wait. We'll stop for now. Yes, please others, please confirm. You'll practice minimum 1 hour every day. The course is bit lengthy.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes,
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yep. Over to you now. Let's go for questions, clarifications, content, material, assignments, case studies, including the certification content. I will take care. The detailed latest Microsoft certification, I will take care. The complete guidance will be part of our course anyway. We'll do it slowly. Yeah, here it is. Just make sure this one. Okay. To make it clear, we have a 400 pages PDF that will be part of our classes. We'll do a 400 pages PDF. We'll do it anyway. Okay, so the certification content you see on the screen, the complete samples from Microsoft latest certification exam will be pretty sure helpful for our preparation. Pretty sure it should work. And if you are already planned to start your certification preparation by yourself, do let me know. I can send this PDF in advance, no problem. And other important takeaway project. The first question in my interview room, like, what is your project? What are the challenges you faced in the project? Or how do you implement ETL? How to optimize Synapse? Something like this, scenario-based activities. So we need to go there slowly, step by step. And our course will be helpful for you for sure in all those aspects. With this, we'll stop for now. Any further questions or clarifications, please do let me know. And from tomorrow, we are going to start our actual classes. We'll do it slowly, one by one.